This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a Crosley Voyager record player. First, find a stable, flat surface for your player, ensuring it's level to prevent skipping. Next, connect the power adapter to the back of the unit and plug it into a wall outlet. Then, carefully open the dust cover and remove any protective materials, like the stylus guard, to prepare for playing your favorite vinyl records. This simple setup takes less than 1 minute. Now, let's play a record. Carefully place your vinyl record onto the turntable platter, aligning it with the center spindle. Next, choose the correct playback speed using the selector switch. Most LPs use 33 1/3 RPM, while singles often use 45 RPM. Finally, gently lift the tone arm, position the stylus over the record's lead-in groove, and slowly lower it using the cueing lever. Enjoy the music. To optimize your listening experience, adjust the volume using the large knob located on the front of the player. For a richer sound, you can connect external powered speakers using the RCA output jacks on the back. Simply plug in your cables. If you prefer private listening, plug your headphones into the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Voyager offers versatile audio options for any setting, providing clear sound for up to 2 hours of continuous play. Proper care ensures your Crosley Voyager lasts for many years. Always keep the dust cover closed when not playing records to prevent dust accumulation on the stylus and platter. Regularly clean your vinyl records with a soft, anti-static brush before each play to remove dust and debris. Remember to replace the stylus after approximately 200 to 300 hours of playback for optimal sound quality and to protect your records. This simple routine keeps your player in top condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.